A mechanic with 25 years told me something most Silverado owners do not realize yet, but they will realize it very soon.
4 Silverado years are about to skyrocket in value. Not in 10 years, not in 5. He says it is already happening right now. Stay until the end because number 1 is gaining value so fast that the mechanic says it will reach collector status very soon. Number 4, 2003. 3 years ago, a clean 2003 sold for $6,000 to $8,000. Today, that same truck sells for $16,000.
That is double the price in 3 years. And the mechanic says it is still climbing fast with no signs of slowing down at all.
Buyers finally figured out that 2003 is the most over-engineered Silverado ever built. Now everyone wants one and supply is running very low. He said in 2 more years, a clean 2003 will sell for over $20,000. If you find one today, you are buying money in the bank. Number 3, 2009. The mechanic calls this one the quiet investment. Most people have no idea that 2009 is appreciating this fast right now. A customer bought a 2009 with 180,000 miles for $19,000.
Oh, yeah.
2 years ago, that exact same truck was worth only $12,000. If this is making sense, and hit that like right now and stay, because the top 2 are where it gets really impressive and surprising. Number 2, 2007. This is the one the mechanic says will shock everyone with how much value it gains in the next few years. First year GMT 900, simple, reliable, no unnecessary electronics. The truck that guys who actually know trucks are quietly buying up right now. Clean 2007 Silverados in his area are selling 30% higher than just 18 months ago. The prices are jumping fast every single month. One customer bought a 2007 for $14,000. 6 months later, someone offered him $19,000. He said, absolutely not selling this. The mechanic told me 2007 is becoming the classic muscle car of trucks. In 5 years, people will pay serious money for clean ones. And number 1, the Silverado, the mechanic says, is about to become the most valuable used truck in all of America. 2011, no doubt. 5th year GMT 900, peak reliability, peak quality, almost impossible to find clean now. Supply is dropping fast and demand just keeps growing. Clean 2011 Silverados used to sit on lots for weeks. Now they sell in hours, sometimes before the listing even goes live on the internet. One customer bought a 2011 3 years ago for $16,000. He just got offered $28,000 and turned it down completely. The mechanic said that customer is smart because in 3 more years, that truck will easily be worth over $35,000 minimum. His prediction: the 2011 will be the first used truck to reach collector status while people are still driving them as daily drivers everywhere. 4 Silverados about to skyrocket. 2003 already doubled. 2009, the quiet investment. 2007, future classic. 2011, future collector truck of America. Comment what you paid for yours versus what it is worth now. And next week, the Silverado secret that mechanics are not telling you about.